Hello, welcome to Spy Money. Let's talk about funded accounts. Apex, winner, winner, 80% off. Click on this right here. Scroll down, 80% off coupon right here. Just click on that. Click your start now. Put that coupon code in your account, and you will get a $50,000 account for $34. Cheap, very, very cheap. You get 10 contracts with that. You only have to make $3,000. You can do that pretty easy if you use our program. So if we can go to Apex, click on that, then you want to come back here, get on the Ninja Suite, and you want to click this right here and go ahead and get signed up. Here's a little description of what it is. You have all of the products that we offer, trade copiers, everything. Nothing to buy, nothing never to buy again. The only thing that you may want to check out is if you don't have a VPS, we offer VPS starting this week. And that would be one thing that you may want to consider. It does not come with the Ninja Suite, but all the trading strategies, bots, the indicators, everything come with this. Here's some questions you might want to look over before you ask me because they will probably be answered right there. You need to contact me, click the contact button, scroll down, put your name, phone number, email, put your questions in here you may have. If you need to talk to me, tell me what time is the best time to talk to you, and we'll try our best to do it then. Again, funded account, scroll down, click on Apex, and there you go. By far the best one. 80% off, and it's 80% off recurring months like they did last time. They also offer, if once you pass, then you can buy a lifetime PA account instead of paying a monthly fee. So it'll be up to you what you want to do, but whatever you choose on that day is what you will have to continue paying. So if you choose the monthly, you can't change it. So make sure you do it the right way. You've got 7 trading days to decide. If you do this tonight, you got to trade it 7 days. You get your paid account, and then you can do it then. So this is by far the best way to do it. Usually they will run this on Christmas time. They're starting tonight, and it will run through Tuesday. So Tuesday at midnight, I believe it is when they stop it. So again, get on there, get started right now. Let's get you in the program, get you over to the Ninja Suite, get you plugged in, start making some money. Let's get on it right now, get it taken care of, and let's start rocking and rolling.